example, qualitative research says that it is subjective. Reality is subjective. Reality is subject to change. There is no one objective reality. For example, if we say that, um, let's take example of money. Money is piece of paper, right? So there is no objective reality. It is subjective. All of us, we agree that money, this piece of paper, is valuable. That why it becomes valuable, because all of us are attaching that meaning with that piece of paper. Otherwise, it's just a piece of paper. If we are moving towards, for example, digital currency, then this loses its meaning, right? So it means that there are subjective realities. There are multiple realities. There is not one reality. There is not one objective reality. So the subject matter that we are dealing in social sciences, in qualitative research, is subjective one. There are multiple realities. There are not one reality. While quantitative research says there is objective reality.